Presenting SJCAM LEGEND SJ6 Sports Action Camera in black color. It has 4x2.9 x 5.4 cm dimensions and weighs just 85.05 grams. SJCAM LEGEND has 166 ultra-wide angle with f2.5 aperture and the MN34120PA 16 megapixel sensor with 7G glass lens that allows it to take crystal clear images. It features a dual 2-inch LCD touchscreen and 0.96-inch front screen and has gyro stabilization for the up and down motion and slow motion record. This waterproof camera can be connected to an iPad working above the water via Wi-Fi. It comes with lithium-ion 1000 mAh battery and is rechargeable. It has a microphone that can be attached closer to the sound while recording and compatible with remote watch as well as remote selfie stick. The box includes SJ6 LEGEND Action Camera, waterproof housing, bicycle stand, frame mount, back touch door, mini USB cable, switch mount A, switch mount B, switch mount C, vertical fixed base, universal 1x4-inch tripod adapter, 360-degree arc bracket, 360-degree parallel bracket, 2 x 3 meters adhesive tape, curved mount and flat mount, cleaning cloth, multi-language manual, lens cover, 2 SJCAM stickers and 1000 mAh lithium